Hi, my name is Manish. I'm a cryo student and I'm here to answer the JavaScript question that what is the time complexity of this following code snippet. And we can see the code. So there are three parameters that is passed, A, B, and C. They may be numbers or some kind of things. And we have one loop. We have three loops, that is three in nested loop, we can say, because that is one inside the one another. And they are all working according to the end of the value of that A, B, and C. So basically, we can say that A, B, and C are three variables, or we can say in which they are working at the end. So calculate the time complexity of this one. So basically, we have to understand time complexity. It is just a program that is taken how much time it will take to execute the given program and generate the desired output that we want. So we have three different, suppose I have a coder and they are writing the same code, but different approach, different methods and logic they have. In that case, they will take different times. So we have three cases in the time complexity. The first one is big O, that is the worst case scenario. And the second one is we have omega, that is the average case. And the last one is the theta, that is the best case that we have. So we always calculate the worst case, because you know that if our program performs in the worst case, it will also perform in the best case as well or average case as well. So time complexity is divided into two factors. First one is the number of lines we have and the number of loops we have. I mean number of loops because it will work end to end times. So we can see in this program, we know that there are three loops. These are first, second, and three. And it will always depends on the number of lines it will work. So in the first case, we know that there's a A, we don't know the value of A. So we can say that it will work until n into A times. So we can say that it will work into n times, or we can say it 8 times. But the second thing is we have the second loop, which is also working on B times. So if we can say that the first loop is working A times, second loop is working B times, because we don't know the value of B. And we know that for every value of A, for every first value of A, it will work this time. It will work until like, this is how the nested loop works. For every value of A, it will work until this condition becomes fail. But the case is we have one more loop there, and this is a C times. So first, and so this will work C times. So in this case, the C will also work. Like for every value of like C, it will work. For the first value of B, it will work C times. And for the first value of A, the B will work B times. So this is a case that nested loop work basically. For the first value of 1, it will work B times. And for the first value of B, it will work C times. So in this case, it will keep working on like that. So in that condition, we can say that, so it will work like this, A into B plus 1, then multiplied by C plus 1. Because we know that A is don't have another loop, outer loop, but B have an outer loop. So for that first working of B, it will work until have to work B times. So this is the case we have. And we know that we have to ignore the constants. So the last time complexity of this program is A multiplied by B multiplied by C. And in which A, B, and C are the different values of these variables A, B, and C. So basically how to calculate this, we know that this is a nested loop. And for this every value of K, it will work K times. And for this one value, it will work K times. For this one value, it will work B into K times. So in this way, it will work again and again. So basically this is a time complexity and this is a worst case. We can also say that it's a cubic time complexity, where if they have the same number, so we can say this NQ. If A, B, and C are equal, we can say that it will work like this. So in this way, we can calculate the time complexity of this code. Thank you.